Set control point A. Confirm.
Hold steady, reading now. Lock the mast, start auger.
Record end valve. Bag it. Swing left. Clear the truck.
Target elevation met. Next pass.
Keep it level for low boys. Truck in, slow, slow. Access road clear, truck proceeding to wash station.
Grid line 3 to 4-4 is set.
Offsets match it. Lock these hubs. Good. Trim 2 inches.
Tag line tight, hold it.
Lagging seated, next bay. Prime the pump, watch pressure. Ten blows, note the set.
Fire watch, eyes on sparks.
Cover is 2 inches. Good. Bolt northing matches. Lock it.
Pre-pour signed, ready trucks.
Vibrate corners, don't overdo it.
Cure coat even, edge to edge.
Log the brakes at 7 and 28.
Check embeds, match shop drawings. Lift height steady, keep pace.
Verify heat number, then cut.
Hold temp under 300, pause.
No linear hits, except.
Back wall clean. Scan complete. Compliance.
Patent loaded, confirm A325 size. Keep heat separated, tag each.
Root gap set, start preheat.
Preheat reached, hold it.
Touch up here, then recheck.
Camber within spec. Log it. Alignment good. Mark match lines.
Truck.
Hold, spotter says clear.
Inspect ends, no coating breaks. Bring it down, watch the bolts. Finger tight first, then plumb.
Plumb within 1/8, lock it.
Pins in, hold while we bolt. Star pattern, snug all first.
Torque verified, record bear bay 1.
Brace set.
Release hoist slowly.
Start complete, bay 1 closed.
Deck bundle down, hands clear.
Side lap tight, fasten every rib.
Fire watch set, weld on my call.
Bend test passed, continue row.
Four stop aligned, seal the gaps.
Lap is 12 inches, tie it. Three-pour walk, fix any loose ties. Slump good, start the pour. Keep the strip straight, slow. Edge clean, don't overwork it. Cure it now, protect the surface.
Couplers tight, verify spacing.
The audio is dominated by the loud, continuous drone of a concrete pump and the high pin.
Level 2 steel coming in. Tie off, edge work only. Windscreen set, strike arc.
Clean scan, release the bay. Green tag, safe for access.
Anchor checked, tighten again.
Block.
Clip spacing verified, continue.
Set on shims, hold there.
Gasket seated, torque complete.
Glass seated. Release suction slowly.
Tool it clean, no voids.
That rack, tag it. Slope is 1/4 inch, good. Gauge steady, hold for 2 hours.
Seal every seam, no gaps.
Same price. Correspond to some 6 to the P and set.
Yes, while trims
Track line confirmed. Shoot pins.
Screws every 8 inches. Go. Feather edges, no ridges.
Clean, move to next room. Stagger joints, keep it tight.
Valve tested. Set the fixture.
Panel locked. Energize test row. Damper responds. Log the point.
Use system WL1054. Seal it.
Slope away, protect the glazing.
Pattern true, keep joints tight.
No drips. Continue to next bay.
Wind rising. Secure tools now.
Probe clean, seam accepted. Flood test start, mark the level.
Fix that trip hazard now.
Closeout steel package. Submit today.
Patch, sand, repaint, done. Done.
Glass film off. Inspect for scratches.
Recall works. Log the test.
Reading stable. Removes the brace. Aim down. Reduce glare on glass. Lobby ready. Set for walkthrough. Egress clear. Next stairwell.
All items closed. Prepare handover.
Open sidewalk. Keep cones aligned.
Handover signed. Archive complete.
Plaza open, monitor traffic.
Frame lines read clean. Nice.
Wrap complete. Site secured.
Subscribe, like, and share.